Hi guys, welcome to Asian Petrol. Today we have the new 2022 Kia K5 hybrid for a night drive. So we're going to show you the headlamp system, interior and tail lamp system, and go for a quick night drive. You know, this is a new one, so we have a new Kia corporate logo on the top end. Kia says now we have a new grille pattern for the hybrid system. It used to be more flat, but now it's more, according to Kia, it's more dynamic. I guess it looks a little bit more stylish. And we have a little bit different low bumper design because this is hybrid. We also have a radar sensor for the adaptive cruise control, 360 camera, a little bit smaller compared to regular Kia K5, but we still have air curtains on the side for the hybrid model. We also have LED headlamp system. So let me just put a B-roll showing you the headlamp system. That's DRL, headlamp, high beam, turn signal. There's no fog lamp, and this is what horn sounds like. And because this is hybrid, we have a 2-liter gasoline engine plus 38 kilowatts electric motor. So we're going to show you how it drives pretty soon. And although this is a hybrid model, we have a good looking 18-inch rims. It's wearing 235 45 by 18 on front and back. It's wearing purity. Looks pretty nice. And side mirrors are bolted on the side. Small windows near the A-pillar. So this is built up an all-new N3 platform, which is also shared with Hyundai Sonata. Overall looks very good from the side. Love the fact that this chrome strip is carried all the way, connected all the way to the rear. And very interestingly, this black part, this part is finished in black, I guess to make the trunk deck look shorter. So guys, do let me know, how do you like the rear design? I think it's a sexy looking car from the rear. We also have this almost heartbeat like progressive LED combination tail lamp system. Looks pretty good. Kia logo, 360 camera. That's how you pop the trunk. It says Kia K5 Eco Hybrid, burp type turn signal and burp type backup. Pretty alright, but not really big fan of the fake design elements on the side and on the dual exhaust. We also have a diffuser on the bottom. The actual muffler tip is located on the right bottom side. Okay, so there isn't much to show you from the second row seats. There isn't any mood lamp, but actually the battery for the hybrid system is located under here, okay? But there isn't anything to see from here. So now let me just show you the car from the driver's seat, okay? Okay, material check. Soft touch, wood trim, leather, hard plastic on the bottom, hard plastic, soft touch, leather, soft touch, and hard plastic. And we also have a good looking steering wheel with Kia logo, adaptive cruise control on the right side, media control on the left side. And we have a even large head-up display on the top, and we have a 12.3-inch gauge cluster and 10.25-inch to the right as infotainment screen. And because this is the hybrid model, we also get this eco power charge meter on the right side and energy flow. Let's just say and wake up the car, see it lights up the engine and it's charging the battery. Right now the engine is on, it's ready to be driven, but since we have parked the car, it's right now it's in EV mode. So what else? We get the same trip computer. And they also give you this driving style: economical 9%, normal 28%, aggressive 63%. I'm sorry guys. And to the right, we also have a 10.25-inch infotainment screen. It's a very quick to respond. I like it very much. And because this is hybrid model, once again, it gives you this fuel economy. When you tap on here, it's enlarged. And one more time. See, we have engines, electric motor, and battery and wheels. So it will show you whether engine will kick in. On EV mode, electric motor will only turn, and it will charge. So it's pretty good. But otherwise, it's a very similar type of have a map. It's very quick to respond. These buttons on the side, they're also touch sensitive, but really wish, it's good, it's fast, quick to respond, and it also gives you sound feedback too, but really wish we had a little bit more physical buttons. At least they give you this dial button power, so that's pretty nice. Okay, we also have hazard buttons right here, and this is a climate media control. It says auto right there. It's nice that they give you some physical buttons here, but it's mostly, except these two, it's mostly touch sensitive, and it also has a driver only mode, which shuts off all the AC or heater except for the driver's seat, because this is hybrid, so it can be more efficient. We have one 12-volt charging, USB charging ports, fast USB charging port. That's for the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's pretty nice. A dial type gear selector is quite easy to use, but really wish Kia used a little bit less high black glossy material, because when you drop your coins and everything, it will easily get scratched. But when it's new, yeah, it looks nice. 2 cup holders, and we also have auto hold electric parking, 360 camera. Looks pretty nice. You can change the view like this. You can also enlarge it, stuff like that. So it's pretty good. And we have a 3-stage heated and ventilation seats right there. Heated steering wheel. Drive mode selector. You can choose among Smart, Eco, Sports, Custom. But let's leave it in Eco for now, because this is a hybrid model. And we also have a wireless charging pad on the bottom, and goods storage area right there. You see it? And right there on the door bin as well, and goods glove box. Okay, so I think almost forgot to show you the mood lamp. Okay, so this is blue flight, peaceful forest, dreamy purple, violet clouds, orange delight, golden insights, refreshing sea, custom color. You can choose among many different colors, but let's just leave it in red for now. Okay, so I think I showed you everything about the car, so let's go out and drive this car. Okay, that's actually DRL headlamp, high beam. There's no fog lamp. Okay, so now let's start driving this car. And one nice thing about this Kia K5 is, let's just say you want to drive, put the car into drive mode, and if you don't have your seatbelt on, it's gonna keep on applying side brakes. I mean electric parking brakes. So see, once you buckle up, it's gonna then let you go. Okay, driver, I let you go. So I think it's a very good feature. I think all Kia, Hyundai, and even other cars should have this. So you always buckle up before you start driving, right? Okay, on the road with new Kia K5 Hybrid. Let's start with visibility. Visibility, just like any other Kia models, it's got good visibility. Small windows near the A-pillar, just like I told you. Side mirrors are bolted on the side to give you better visibility. And we also have blind spot alert system and also monitoring system. And if there is a car on your blind spot, it will also be shown on the head-up display. Do you see that on the right side? So I think it's a very pleasant place to be and very easy to be driving. And let's talk about engine for a second. I mean hybrid powertrain. We have a 2-liter gasoline engine producing about 152 horsepower. We also have a 38.6 kilowatt electric motor giving a nice assist, and the total system output comes out to be about 195 horsepower. If you ask me, compared to 1.6 liter turbo based hybrid, this feels a little bit less powerful, but this guy also feels quite nice. Let me just show you. We are in, let me see, eco mode, and let me let you hear it in eco mode. So yeah, pretty nice. I mean, it's made it to 6-speed automatic. It's not made it to a CVT or DCT. I like that because it's smoother, right? And we'll go into EV mode as long as you're cruising or if you're not abusing the accelerator. We're now driving about 82 kilometers and still in EV mode. But when you do put the car into sports mode, still in EV mode, but it's gone, okay? Let me just let you hear it one more time. So it pulls linearly. I think the 2-liter gasoline engine feels weaker compared to 1.6 liter turbo, but still, because there's a 38.6 kilowatts electric motor giving a nice assist, it's doing a very good job, and it handled very nicely this afternoon too. You know, this is supposed to be a hybrid efficient sedan, so I think it's the battery located under the second row is just yielding better balance. Okay. Wow. So it pulls nicely. I mean, you know, this is a hybrid sedan, so I don't think you know, most of us won't need more power, because I'm sure most of you guys will just put the car into eco mode and start cruising like this. And it's very comfortable. I mean, seats are comfortable, it's quiet, it's easy to see out of the car. There are lots of features, heated steering wheel and everything, head-up display, so it's a very pleasant place to be. Okay, but let me just put the car into sports mode one more time. Oh, I mean, for a hybrid model, I think it's even sounds pretty nice. Quite engaging. Okay, let me just let you hear one more time. There's certainly a bit of lag in the beginning, but I told you the 38.6 electric motor just gives nice assist, and from there the 2-liter gasoline engine also starts to push quite nicely. So yeah, there isn't any active sound design or anything like that, but who needs it? I always keep it off. So good brakes too. Okay, now let me just show you the 6-speed automatic working in actions. 3, 4, 5, 6. Wish we had more gears, but 5, 4, 3. So yeah, it's not sports car as fast, but at least it's very smooth. So I like it much better than a CVT or DCT. And when you ask it, it will pull very linearly. Wow. Woo. It feels very stable even on very high speed, and very decent brakes as well. So we got an exit right here. And recently, you know, Hyundai and Kia, even the Genesis, they started making very good handling cars, and this K5 is no exception. And even this hybrid handles, like I told you, slightly better than the just regular K5, because we have the battery located under the second row seats. I mean, that's how I feel it, at least. Okay. And there's a regen brakes, and you know, the initial ones used to be very artificial. They felt really artificial, but these ones are quite nice. It almost feels like a regular brake. So they're getting better and better, you know, tuning the brakes and everything, and really pulls linearly. And you can definitely feel the electric motor giving a nice assist in the beginning. So yeah. Huh. Pretty good. So it feels very stable. The chassis feels rock solid, and I don't know, it just handles very nicely for a hybrid sedan. Which is a good thing, right? It doesn't have to be boring to be more efficient. And we also have adaptive cruise control working with lane keep assist, and as you can see, it's a very delicate system, placing the car right on the center. You know, Hyundai and Kia makes a pretty good ones. It also says HDA, saying, you know, we're on highway. So, but you know, in a few seconds it's going to say, hey driver, it's time to put your hands back on the steering wheel. So yeah, it's pretty good. Let me just turn the heater on. It's quite cold day here in Korea. It's about 1 degree Celsius. So I'll just turn the heater on. I'm just not turning it on, you know, fearing my GoPro might overheat. But we're almost there. So let's just start the heater, and let me just let you hear the corral system.
Light by Arch.
Sounds pretty good. Good bass, good bass. Yeah, so I think it sounds very nice. Yeah, very nice for this hybrid K5. Are we in sports mode still? Okay. Just let you hear it. Enjoy it one more time. I told you it handles very nicely, and it just goes. Although this is hybrid, you know, it just goes, stops, and turns. And I don't know, if you're just looking for K5, I think this hybrid can be a very good choice if you're just going to be, you know, cruising around. If you want great efficiency, I think this can be a very good choice. It's very comfortable. It's got lots of features, very efficient, and so, you know, if you're not planning to race this car, I think this can be a very good alternative. Alright guys, this has been a night drive with the new Kia K5 Hybrid. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll be back with much more. So if you love cars and car reviews, please do support us by subscribing to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss out in the future. Thank you guys, see you soon, stay healthy, and bye bye.